Hi Crafty Planner, welcome to my channel. I'm Tina. Today's video, I am going to be unboxing the July cloth and paper subscription box. So this is actually the second time I am getting the subscription box. I did get my very first box in June and everything in there was amazing. And if you want to see what was in that box, then I will link that for you above and you can take a look at that. But cloth and paper, if you're not familiar with them, they are very minimalist planning, just very clean, black and white and soft color palettes, and it's absolutely beautiful items. So if minimal planning is something that you are interested in and you're not familiar with them, I highly recommend you go and you check out their website. I will link their website down below in the description box so you can easily get to that. All right, let's go ahead and start this unboxing. And I already just opened up like the tape, so it's gonna come just like this. And I have to tell you that I like to be surprised. So I do have some ideas of a couple of the items that are in the box because they do give you like little hints. That's the thing when you get a subscription box, you don't see really everything like in it before you get it, if that makes sense. I mean, they do give you like sneak peeks, that type of thing. Certain subscription boxes from different companies, you might be able to see the whole thing, but I try to avoid seeing any of the sneak peeks because I don't know, it's sort of like a nice surprise every month that comes to you. So the box does come with a card and it's going to tell you what's inside, and it says, "Thank you so much for subscribing to our July 2020 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we have created for you to use in your planning routine." So there is like quite a lot of items in here, and I'm just gonna go through each thing. I will refer to the card as I pull things out so that way I can tell you exactly what they're called. And then they usually come with this really just simple white tissue paper with their little signature black dot sticker here. So, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I am so excited. These subscription boxes are so exciting to me. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of the box itself and go through the contents that way. Just wanted to get rid of all of that extra packaging and tissue. All right, so let's see. So now this one is the Alley clip. Oh my goodness. Now I did see a sneak peek of this, and so I knew that this was going to be in here. So I'm pretty excited. I don't have any of these. And this one is like one of their mini ones, but this was custom made. So it was a collaboration with Alley Clip and Cloth and Paper for this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. So this is a magnetic clip. Wow, that's got some power. That's really nice. So it's got the Alley on this back side here, and then CP on this side for Cloth and Paper. So, okay, these are really cute. I really, really like this. I'm pretty excited about this. My very first one. Okay, so now these two items here, these are the journaling cards that are for August, and it has the month at a glance on here. I love these. These are so pretty. There's one for August, and then look, there's one for September. Love that. Oh, there's actually two more journaling cards. This one is the Everything I Know card, and it's just got like this little splotch, like a kind of like a black paint splash or splash there. And Everything I Know, Everything I Don't Know. Okay, that's really pretty. So put that there. And then this one is just the Cloth and Paper black card. So it just looks like a credit card. Well, that's kind of cute. Some like different like, deco that you can put in your planner. Okay, so now this one here, I'm gonna refer to the card. This one is the ink smear dashboard. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited about everything that's here. Let's get out of the packaging. And this, I think, is just like a protectant. So I'm gonna, oh yeah, it's a blue protectant. Ooh, pretty. Really, really pretty. I love just like the simplicity of all of their products. I'm gonna have to pick that off, but look at that. Oh, see, and look at that. I put my fingerprints. I put my fingerprints all over it. Okay, so there, I cleared it off. And yeah, this is really nice. I mean, the quality is so, it's just beautiful. Ooh, I like this one. Okay, so this is obviously a conversions dashboard. And this says here, to continue our collection of reference dashboards, we've added a conversions chart for when you need it in the moment. Okay, I am really excited about this. Oh, and by the way, my size is the classic size. I have a classic size happy planner that I use, and oh, okay, this is like, the material that this dashboard is in is pretty awesome. It's like, I don't know, it's sort of like got a, sort of has like a texture to it. It's like a plasticky, it's really, really nice. Got a conversions. I'm loving that for liquid, temperature, distance, and weight. I love things like this because they're so handy for me. Oh, this actually came in, I'm sorry, I'm a little confused. This is stunning, and this actually came in the June subscription box. So this is just like an added bonus, really. Oh my goodness. And then, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Okay, I'm really excited about these. These are August and September month cover dashboards. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I am super excited about this. Oh my God, I love it. And this is like a really nice, it's kind of like a cardstock type of vellum. So we've got September 2020. I'm lucky that whatever fear I have inside me, my desire to win is always stronger. And that was a quote by Serena Williams. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then here's the August one. You don't make progress by standing on the sidelines, whimpering and complaining. You make progress by implementing ideas. And that's a quote by Shirley Chisholm. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name correctly. These are awesome. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, there's so much exciting stuff in here. Okay, I'm gonna take this and turn this over because it does tell you like what it is. So, oh my goodness. This is so, wow. Okay, let's see. I don't know. I feel like, okay. This is August. It looks like I've got the whole month of August here. Oh my goodness. There's like an extra page in here from the end of July, it looks like. So yeah, I've got the whole month of August. That's awesome. We're stocking you up on the new vertical weekly style inserts through the month of September. Okay, so I'm gonna have August in here and September, and these, I guess, are the newer layouts. This has got a goals section here, and it's just blank, so you can put whatever you need to there. Important dates, and you've got this nice grid with date and description. another grid down here for bills due. And I like the fact that the headings on these are very light. So if in fact you do want to like change whatever these grids are up here, you can do that pretty easily. And then you've got the month of the year, August, a to-do list. And I love that it's got like the little checklist here. So that's really nice. And this one has got the full month at a glance here. I love their paper, by the way. It's so nice. And then it's very, very clean, simple, no deco or anything like that on here. And then you've got a sidebar here that's lined. And then everything is all grid out. And you've got the previous month and then the following month at a glance in the corner. And then their layout style is like this right here. At least this is one of the options that you have. Now this is lined, and I did use a couple of the weeks in July because they sent us July in the June subscription box. So this is going to be amazing. I love using their inserts. They are really super functional, and I really just decorated it very like simply with some washi, and I loved doing that. It was so easy to set up for each week, and I probably added more color in than, you know, probably really what anybody really does, because this is a very simple, minimalist planning style. But you can add whatever stickers you want. I mean, it's your planner. And then this got this back notes page here. So, oh my goodness, that is awesome. So that is for August. And then I got September here. So that is amazing. And then look at them, they gave us the dashboards. Oh, I'm so excited, so excited. All right, now this is a password tracker. Oh my goodness, wow, okay. And it says here, the newest minimal design for our password tracker inserts so you can keep track of those never-ending, ever-changing online accounts. Oh my gosh, don't you just hate that? I know I do. Like, I can't stand the fact that I have to change my password all the time. It's so annoying. Love the fact that it's got like this tab on the side with the black trim, password tracker. Awesome. So, you know, you open it up and you can see what you have right at a glance. So it's got the website, username, and then the password. I mean, it's just a simple design. It's really all you need. I love it. Okay, now, ooh, look at these. I love these. So we've got a mink dot grid sticky note. So this up here is mink, that's the color of that. And it's a 3 by 3 inch sticky note. So these are awesome, and it's dot grid. Love them. Oh my gosh, and we got some dots in the same color. Let's see here. Now these are all new products, and there are 2 sheets here. I love the dots. Oh my goodness, I love using these. And then the last thing here is the Architect Grid Pad. Now this I did know about. All right, so this is pretty nice because it's got the grid here, and you can write in the project, and it's got a section for notes, and it is a pad here. So that is got a lot of paper in here. Let's see, 50 sheets. 50 sheets, and they're 7 by 10 inches. So they are actually bigger than like the Happy Planner classic size that I use, the sheet. But I mean, you could very easily just punch it on one side and then just fold it in. I mean, that's always an option. and especially obviously if you have a smaller planner, but this I think is this is the same size for anybody. So with these subscription boxes, if you decide that you want to go ahead and get yourself a subscription box, you will go to their site and you would pick whatever size you want. And the boxes, as you can see, you get a lot of stuff in here. All right, so I got some really awesome things here, and I am going to be set for like the next 2 months. I've got some inserts, I've got some dashboards, some really cute like little journaling cards, and some stickers, this really cute Ollie clip, just lots and lots of really cute items in here. Again, it's just a very simplistic, minimalist type of planning. And if this interests you, go to my description box and you will find the link. I will attach that for you. And you can go ahead and check out Cloth and Paper, and you will definitely fall in love with all of their items. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when my videos come out. I generally put out a video every Saturday evening. Occasionally you will get a midweek video, so if you hit the bell, that way you'll be notified when they come out. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you for your support. Drop me a comment below, let me know if you're a new subscriber. If you've been subscribed already, I would love to welcome you personally if you are new, and of course I always love chatting with all of my subscribers, so be sure to do that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this unboxing, and I am also on Instagram, so check me out there if you are on Instagram and follow me at It's a Wonderful Plan, or if you prefer Facebook, I am also on Facebook at It's a Wonderful Plan, and both of those links can be found below in the description box. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Bye.